Today we're going to learn how to keep track of your records using a check register. This is to keep track of all the things that come in and out of your bank account, similar to kind of what we did when we played the game of life, how we kept track of everything that's happening with your cash. So let's go ahead and start off with the fact that we have in our bank account at the start of this, we have $513.25. So the first thing that we have to do is on the 1st, this is for November 11/1, we wrote a check to our apartment complex. The check number was 122, so that goes under the number column. We live at the Wildwood apartment complex, and so that's who I wrote the check to, and that goes in that first part of the line. The gray is a description of what it is, and this was rent for November. And my rent, the portion I have to pay, is $325.00. The check column, we're going to leave blank. We're not going to have to worry about that. That is whenever we reconcile, and we'll look at reconciling next week. But I put the check under the withdrawal column because it is something that comes out of my account. Now, I'm going to go all the way over, and I'm going to write that in the white blank under what I'd already written, $325. And so I am going to have to subtract those because it's a withdrawal. So 25 cents, and that is going to be 8, because 13 minus 5 is 8. 8, because 10 minus 2 is 8. And then I had to continue that borrow, and that 5 turned into 4, so 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is my new bank balance. So whatever's in that gray spot is your new bank balance. Whatever's in the white is just your work. So the next thing is, and I know I didn't tell you the dates over on the side, that's just me making notes of what each of the things are, is I used my debit card at Walmart on the 3rd. So on 11/3 at Walmart, I used my card. There is no check number for this because it was not a check. So you can either put a line, or you can put something like debit. Say that I use my debit card. This was for miscellaneous. Just little odds and ends for the household, and it cost me $52.10. So that's under my withdrawal. So I'm going to go over here, $52.10, and again, I'm going to subtract. So 25 minus 10 is going to give me 15. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 1 minus nothing is 1. Then, luckily, I got paid. I worked hard, got my money. So, on the 5th, I got paid from my job. And so, paycheck. Or you could have written where you worked at. That is going to be a deposit. And my paycheck was $500 and $37.00. And so I am going to, I forgot to write that in deposit spot. I am going to add this time instead of subtract. And so that gives me 15 cents. 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So going into my next week, I have $73.15. That's what you do whenever you're keeping track of your different account items. So again, the gray is where you write a description or you continue it on. The white is where you write the main part of the item. You don't always have to write something in the gray, but you can.